fix this device is not present, code 24, error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Solution 1. Repair corrupted system files. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. Solution 2. Install Windows updates. If a new update is available, click the Download and Install All button. Restart your computer after the process is finished and check to see if the problem is fixed. Solution 3. Update or reinstall the driver. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Solution 5. Use System Restore. System Restore is a feature in Microsoft Windows that allows users to revert their computer's state to a previous point in time. This can be helpful if you have made changes to your system that are causing problems. Select the one you want, ideally before the issue started occurring, and go ahead with the process.